Welcome to Electro Guide channel. In this segment, we explore what an immersion heater is and how it works. Stay tuned for a quick and informative guide to understanding this essential device. Segment 1. What is an immersion heater? An immersion heater is a heating element designed to be inserted directly into liquids to heat them. They are commonly used in water tanks, boilers, and various industrial applications. Segment 2. Types of immersion heaters. There are several types of immersion heaters, including screw, plug, flanged, and over the side. Each type has its own advantages and specific applications. Segment 3. How immersion heaters work. Immersion heaters work by converting electrical energy into heat through a heating element made of materials like stainless steel or titanium. This element then heats the surrounding liquid. Segment 4. Applications of immersion heaters. Immersion heaters are used in a variety of applications, from heating water at home to industrial processes like heating oil and chemical solutions. Segment 5. Benefits of using immersion heaters. Some benefits of using immersion heaters include energy efficiencies of installation and the ability to heat liquids quickly and evenly. Segment 6. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.